Make a great choice today with the 2014 Town & Country. Town & Country's V6 engine provides plenty of power while still providing the fuel efficiency you look for in a vehicle. Tow up to 3,600 pounds when your Town & Country is equipped with a towing prep package. Seat 7 comfortably and choose from stow and go seating or the innovative swivel and go seating. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated side mirrors, traction control, intermittent wipers, remote keyless entry, fog lights, mirror memory, FWD, headlights auto off, remote trunk release, remote vehicle start. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.